Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Oxit Brick Break 3, 4, 5. Coming right up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package that we uh, literally just received 1 minute ago, okay, which we are unboxing right now. And this is from the Oxit breaks of Howard. So we participate in that particular break on a weekly basis. Okay, and this one is a consolidation of 3 weeks. Okay, I think 3 weeks, 3, 4, and 5. So I know as of making this video, the Masters of Time had its last brick break. Okay, so but it is what it is, especially if we're shipping to the Philippines. There's going to be a need to consolidate, so there's a bit of a delay just to maximize the cost of shipping. Okay, and as you can see, it's a consolidation of 2 boxes. This is for weeks 3 and 4, I think, and this one is for week number 5. Let's open this and see what we got. I don't think there is a lot of notable items from the booster pulls we had. This one of those weeks that's really we just pulled rares if I'm not mistaken. So it's mid. Okay. So anyway, let's see. This is from 9/20, so September 20, booster 6 and booster 11. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have here our rare is Pirate Batman. Okay, so we have also this other characters. Okay, so we don't have a rare Pirate Batman yet, so that's what we have going on our end. And the other booster contains a rare Green Arrow. Okay, so we already have a rare Green Arrow, so it's just a duplicate. Okay, so that's our first booster or booster set. The next one, let's take a look, is booster set for, this should be the following week, booster 2 and 10. 2 and 10 are my favorite numbers because October 2 is my birthday. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's zoom in. And we have the Pilgrim Batman. Okay, I actually don't have that Pilgrim Batman yet. So that is a fair pool, I guess. Okay, but of course, we always want to get a super rare at least in these breaks. And then the other booster we have, okay, rare Nighthawk. So this rare Nighthawk, I think this is already my 5th or 6th rare Nighthawks. I've been disposing them or trading them, but it keeps going back to me. But we did pull a trick arrow here, so I guess that's okay. Okay, and the next one is the week number 5 that I joined, the Masters of Time break. And let's see what we have. Okay, I really like how the boosters are packaged. Okay, because I've had some unlucky experience with missing cards and missing pieces at times from other sellers. But for Howard and his team, it's always all good. Okay. Oh, let's see what we have. Okay, so this is slot number 2 and slot number 15. Okay, slot number 2 we have the rare Robin. Okay, so we don't have that, but we are not particularly looking for that. And the other one is another rare Pirate Batman. So it's a duplicate. It's going to be up for sale, I guess, for players here. Okay, so that's the hauls. What do you guys think? I can't get enough of this Masters of Time set. This is definitely the set of the year. So looking forward to buy some more. Bye-bye!